Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Puss in Boots facing off against, the big bad wolf. So I'm going to put the big bad wolf on this side, Puss in Boots on this side. Very easy. You can follow along with me. Let's get started, okay? I'm going to have the wolf kind of go off the page over here. So I'm going to draw his cloak first, right here. I'm going to go off the page. Going to go right here. The top of it's going to come in over here, the cloak down. Over here, downward. Okay, that's still his cloak, that kind of thing over him. By the way, if you like Puss in Boots, the movie, The Last Wish, or the character, the Big Bad Wolf, hit the subscribe button. I'm sorry, hit the like button, okay? Because it's going to let me know what to do more of on this channel. Okay, going to go over here. Down, kind of the side of the wolf's eye over here. Face. Cheekbone over here. And now we're going to extend this for his nose. His nose is pretty big. It's going to have the ski slope nose off the end of it right there. Very ski slopey at the very end. Curve. Line over here. Downward on this side. And we're going to pull up over here. Very, very elongated, right? That's like a cool character trait that he has. Makes him look more devious, stuff like that. Smile. Down over here, maybe the corner edge of the smile here. Down. Line underneath. Curve up. Gonna go over here. Line straight. Little at the very end right here, he has a little bit of zigzag, kind of like it's just like an indication of fur right there. At the very, very end. Pull up. Okay. Pretty simple shape so far. I hope you're with me. Now we're going to go over here. We're going to draw his teeth. And I would say the simplest shortcut would be just drawing zigzags along this area. Over here. Curve. Go over here on this side. And we're going to draw a line from the nose area back and right here. Line. Curve up for the eye. Over here on this side, curve over here for his eye, okay? Line down. Over here on this side, line down, all right? So far, so good. Line up here. Downward for an additional shadow. We're going to fill this in. It's like a darker shadow on him. Kind of from the cloak itself. Curve over here for his eye. It's looking downward. Curve over here for his eye. Line over here. And line over here, kind of to make it look kind of deep set into his skull right there. Fill in the dot right there. Good stuff. Okay, so far so good. If you want to learn how to draw in general, do not forget to hit the subscribe, click the bell notification right here. I'm going to post a video every single day on different characters from, different properties, dinosaurs. I have a lot of stuff. There's a bunch of playlists. Go check those out in the description or in the playlist section because I go over everything. Line over here. Line over here on this side. Line up. Line up. Curve over here on this side. Curve over here on this side. And fill it in over here. Cool, cool, cool. Line over here on this side. And okay, so now the wolf. I would say we're going to draw the end of his cloak over here. Maybe like down here, the cloak goes down. And maybe kind of just draw his body on that side, okay? He's huge. So let's go over here and draw Puss in Boots down here. It's a lot smaller, so his face is going to be a lot more contained. So I'm going to go here, line over here off his nose. Curve for his tip of his nose, which is small. Line over here. It's a very triangle nose. Line over here for his mouth. Line over for his mouth. Line over for the bottom of his mouth. Cool, cool, cool. Line. Line over here on this side for his eye on the far end. Right there. Line over here on this side. Gonna go over here, line up over here on this side. Curve. That human eye here, element. So the way we draw him is very similar to the way we draw, like, at least his eyes, very similar to the way we draw humans. So I'm going to go over here for the side of his cat face, and then over here on the other end, the side of his cat face, on that side. Big difference here before we draw on the eyes is I'm going to draw the line for his, like, hat. Going to go over here, line up, down, out over here, back. Line over here. Right on. Circle over here like he's looking up. Circle over here for the pupil like he's looking upward. Cool, cool. And he has like a lot of, we'll draw a line over here. Line over here for the top, line over here for the top. Kind of showing the mouth because there is a color change right there that really makes it obvious. And we're gonna draw whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 off of that area. Zigzag up here. We have a feather going back off his hat, and that's gonna go almost off the page. It's just kind of like a zigzag, like off the page. Right on. Line over here for his cape. Line over here for the other side for his cape. Down, down, and maybe kind of the side of his arm, but we don't really, you know, we're not really gonna need that because it's just like a vignette, right? It's from here up. Circle here for the hat. And that's it. I want to thank you very much. Do not forget, there is a coloring book that we have on Amazon. I have it on there. You can go check out my name. Just search on Amazon, Enrique Plazola, or you can just kind of, you know, check out the link below in the description. There's mostly cat, you know, coloring books. So if you're a big fan of coloring like I am, go take a look at it. I'm gonna be adding one new coloring book a week on Amazon, so it's on Amazon. So yeah, it's pretty official. So thank you. I appreciate it. You guys are amazing, and I will talk to you in the next video.